everyone, Amitofo. Today is July 4th. I wish the people who celebrate this holiday will have a happy holiday and stay home safe. Let me read the Shurangama Sutra first. The Buddha said, "That's a virtual deed, Ananda. From the infinitive beginning, all sensual beings have been trapped in the circle of continuous birth and death. The reason is they all don't know the permanent nature of our Buddha's mind, its emptiness and its manifestations when conditions arise. Instead, all sensual beings live with an illusionary mind. Since the illusionary mind keeps changing and is not at all permanent, it induces a continuous turning the wheel of reincarnation." Here, Buddha clearly said, the reason we get reincarnation, we get keeping to rebirth in the Samsara, because we have illusionary mind. That is the grasping mind we explained in the last section. Because we don't like keeping to get birth and sadly dead, and then we get rebirth. We don't like this kind of pattern, because that's a suffering. We all know when people die, most people, they will fear to die, and family are sad to see them dying. We don't want this to happen. But this will happen continually, like turning the wheel that will repeat. We get birth, we live for a while, and we die. We get rebirth, we live for a while, and when we die. We don't want this to happen, but we don't know why, how to stop. Why this happened? And Buddha said, because we have grasping illusionary mind. And because this grasping illusionary mind is temporary, so the result this temporary grasping mind induced will be temporary. Okay? We cannot stop death with this kind of mentality. What we can do? We need to find our Buddha's nature. Because Buddha's nature is permanent. Once we realize the Buddha's nature, the result will be free of the birth of death, will be free of the reincarnation. Because Buddha's nature is permanent, the result will also be permanent. We call that permanent result as nirvana. Nirvana. We always stay in that nirvana state. So, realize the Buddha's nature is very, very important. How to get it? How to realize Buddha's nature? So, in the next section, later on, Buddha will teach us what is Buddha's nature. The faith, the truth about Buddha's nature. So that will help us to realize Buddha's nature. Buddha will explain clearly in many, many ways, step by step, to tell us what is Buddha's nature, how it looks like, and how could we realize Buddha's nature, what will be the path. So continue to follow us. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can always email to us, Hua-Yan USA@gmail.com, the International Hua-Yan Buddhist Federation. Thank you. Amitofo.